negatives. Today we're boosting the sense of motion in your action shots. Start by identifying the moving subject and brighten it slightly to draw attention. Add controlled blur to background elements to emphasize speed or movement. Increase contrast on the subject to make it feel dynamic. Bring out vivid colors around areas of motion to add energy. If the image feels too still, soften edges around fast-moving sections. Motion should feel intentional, not chaotic. Thanks for joining. More energetic editing techniques coming up.